we only meet 3 times. That's throughout your stay in MSE 1 orientation last year, right? So there's a time fly. This is the midterm workshop, and also when you graduate. So we'll see you in graduation. Usually most people show up for graduation, and but that's okay. What we're gonna do today is Dr. Chen, since he need to leave a little bit early, so he's gonna first present his class. So you're all gonna attend his class. Then I'll give a very short presentation because this is a transition. I'm new. You all know Dr. Ru, Christopher. He was the coordinator. So I start to be the coordinator this semester. Okay, so it's relatively new. Everybody, switch, change, and then you all see Beth. Right, so Amanda, you're probably all familiar with her. She left last week. So me new, we new,
Yeah.
Beth new. So we have to. Only Ning is old. So if this is not as smooth as you expected, apologize in advance. Yeah, but Beth has been amazing. And so particularly in the morning, orientation, a lot more people, so you all know that. And so it went very well. Based on the past tradition, usually we invite a speaker for this. So last year we have some graduate alumni talk about DevOps, right? If I recall. And I got involved in this. I tried to invite some big shot. Then the college said no money. Okay. So then I'll just give a short talk on CMI 3.0. Some of you may know a little bit, and then I'll give a talk about a class I'm teaching 547. Okay, so then if you have any question regarding the project or anything else, then we can discuss. So for those of you you're online, if you have any question, just drop your question in the chat. Okay, thank you.